Okay, tell me what challenges you faced while you were learning English. You're still learning English, so tell me if you're facing any challenges and you find this is very hard for me to get over. If you are using any strategies which is helping you, let me know.
So yeah, when I started my journey to learn this language, so initially it was hard because I didn't have, many words, or also I didn't know how to make proper sentences. And then I found that while speaking, that I couldn't speak because I was very bad at grammar. Yeah. And then, firstly, when I started, so I started my journey, I think from last year. It's been 1 year when I started my journey. So initially, I started to work upon on my grammar. So I think 1.5 months I worked upon on my grammar, and then I started to listen. I started to listen. And after listening and watching English, English conversation videos, English content, it could be anything like what as per my interest. So after 6 months, I found that I am improving day by day. It's helping me a lot. Is listening and watching English control helped me a lot to learn this language, and it helped me to how to make the proper sentence structures, and also I build up my vocabulary. Not too much, but yeah, a little bit vocabulary I have improved. And then after 6 months working upon on listening and watching, then I started to speak. So I was finding a platform where where I could speak. So that time, suddenly out of nowhere, one day I was scrolling my Instagram. So that time I saw as fluency, and then I started to use that application. And so I talked there. I have been talking there last 3 months, and it helped me a lot. When I started to speaking, I was I was under the confidence. I was nervous. I was hesitant. I was shy. I didn't know how to speak. I didn't know how to convey my message. But after using that application, actually, really, my English is getting better day by day.
Yeah, I
And
can see you work so hard on your English and you're still learning English. Listening is the cornerstone of improving English, and
yeah.
you use the right strategies at very beginning. And you said about the application. May I know the name of the application again because I missed out?
Yeah, as fluency.
Aspirancy.
I
Okay.
yeah. There I was talking on audio call.
Okay. So is this free or you have to pay for it?
Yeah, it is not free at all, but it is affordable. I would say that you can buy, like anyone can buy in
Mhm.
1,000. You can buy for 1 year plan,
Okay.
or if you want something, if you want to add something in your plan, then you can pay a little bit amount, not too much. So it is affordable. It's not too expensive. It's not expensive.
Okay. May I know a little bit more about this application? It might help other learners to improve
Ah,
their English skills. So, what
yes.
basically you do on there? Just speak over the phone, or you do some other activities as well?
No, there are lots of feature. If you want to talk with the callers, then you can talk. If you want to talk with trainers, then you can talk. If you want to participate in room, then you can participate. And if you want to take personal trainer, then you can take. There are lots of feature, and you will find vocabulary session there. You will find how to enhance your confidence. You will find how to rectify your mistake. You will find some grammar lesson. It that really helped everyone.
You said that sometimes you get opportunity to connect with the trainer. So, may I know was it helpful or what suggestion they have given you, and you are able to implement those suggestions or not? Do you find it helpful?
Yeah, most of the time on that application we talk with co-learners.
Co-learners, okay.
Yeah, they some of them are very advanced, some of them intermediate, some of them beginner. So you can talk if if you get a beginner, so you can talk, you can share your journey, you can make them that confidence. You can tell your journey, you can tell them how you started to speak on this application. And
Mm,
other, if you get advanced speaker, then you can get some tips, that
mm,
how can I improve my confidence, how can I learn this language, what is the easy way, not easy way, what is the tricks and trips I can improve. Yeah, I
mm.
could improve this language. So yeah, and while after talking 1 month, I feel that I am making lots of. Initially, I made lots of grammatical mistake, and then I thought to talk about. I thought to talk with the trainers, and I think I have talked for 5 times with trainers. So they gave me suggestions. They gave me suggestion, and they told me how to enhance your vocabulary, where you need to work upon. So
Mm.
they told me so many things. They told me, so it really helped me a lot, a lot.
Okay, that is good if it's helping you and you are getting help of trainers and speaking with co-learners. And you said that by using this application you have improved a lot. Are you still using this application?
Yeah, I am still, because I have purchased for 1 year plan.
One
So
year.
it's been only 3 months, more than 3 months. So I think I have left to 8 months. So I will use my plan for whole year.
Yeah, technology plays a crucial role in these days. We have various type of tools, resources, and
Yes,
apps.
yes, yes.
These days, English learners have lots of opportunity to improve their English skills. So, may I know, apart from this application, are you taking any other help from somewhere else or using other apps to improve your English?
No, I did not take anyone help. Like whatever what I learned by myself. Like, because we have YouTube, and I would say that it is a powerful weapon to educate ourselves. We don't need to go anywhere. We don't need to take anyone help. If
Yeah,
you have YouTube, that I would say that you have everything.
that's true.
Yeah, and apart from that application, I did not use any other application. I am last 1.5 months I have been talking on Skype, on video call. That's it.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Sometime I do shadowing practice, and
shadow.
yeah, initially I used to make my own video while speaking. I used to record my voice in front of
Mhm.
camera, so it
Mhm.
really helped me a lot.
Okay, that is good. So you said that you are using Skype app, and yeah, you get opportunity to connect with the co-learners and some advanced speakers as well.
Yes.
Okay,
But
that's good.
on Skype application, I found some difficulty. That we don't get person each and every day. We have to wait for long, and then
Yeah.
we will get person. We
Okay,
get
there is a
person.
group. Are you in the group, Skype group, or just you using individually?
No, I am in the group. I think I am in 3 groups.
Oh, three groups. Okay, so you get lots of opportunity to connect with the learners.
Yeah. You are absolutely right. But time, there is
That.
time problem. There is
Hmm.
time problem.
Yeah, I do understand. And I'm also facing the same problem because I am in different country and it is very hard to connect with especially Indians. And
Yeah.
but now it is okay. Yeah, I can manage. It is nearly 8:30 p.m. here.
8:30 p.m.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any question for me? Feel free to ask if you would like to clarify any grammar rules or you have any query. Feel free to ask in relation to anything, not just English. You can ask anything.
Yeah, I want to ask you, do you miss India?
Surely, I miss India. That's why I am having this channel.
You feel connection with with
Yeah.
your people. That's why you're using. So yeah. So when did you come India?
I came 2023 in January.
Oh,
So
it's
it's
been
been
1 year.
2 years. It's 2025 now.
Yeah, it's already 25 now.
It's not 2024.
Yeah, it's 3 years. Yeah, it's been 2 years.
I do miss when I came here. I had a separation anxiety because I'm the younger one in my family. I am the only daughter and sister. I got two older brothers. So after
Ah,
coming here, it was so hard for me to survive and settle because here language is different, culture is different. I was
different.
worried I will be ever survive here or not. Then yeah, finally I had no option, so I had to survive. So yeah.
Yeah, living in other countries sounds difficult.
It,
Hmm?
it is actually, yes. It seems like very fascinating when people hear, okay, you are from abroad, you are from Australia, how is life there? And life is very luxury. We have comfortable environment, people are very nice, very cooperative, lots of opportunities here. But because I was born in my country, this is not my birth country, this is my work country. I like it here too. I like being here as well. But definitely, I miss my country. I miss my mother, my brothers, my in-laws, my childhood friends, and
Yeah,
it's not easy actually. When when we get married, we have to change our birthplace, and again when we move to another country, it's a
the
big
country.
change, huge
A
change.
big
But
change.
after coming here, I realized that it was a significant milestone to improve my careers, to improve my skills. So after
Yeah,
coming
for
here,
better future.
for my betterment, because sometimes what happened, God places you where it is good for you. That's why I thought, okay, I'm in this situation, I have to make sure that I survive somehow, I learn something. It's not an easy task to be in different country. Then I started working on my skills. I thought, okay, I don't know English, I will work on it, and then I will work with foreigners. It was my dream, and yes, I am able to work with them now. So I'm so happy.
So, so how did you find after working with foreign? How did you find?
They are very nice and very cooperative, but sometimes I used to
Yeah.
feel like they would be able to understand me or not because I have a different accent. The way we speak, that is also different because Australian, they have their own slangs, phrases, and vocabulary to use, and they tend to eat up some words. They speak so fast, and I was having an Indian accent at that
Yeah.
time. I am neutral now, but it was so hard for me to express myself. Then I told him, what is wrong? What I am doing something wrong. I have learned this language, still I'm not able to communicate my ideas with them. Then I started working on my pronunciation. It is very important actually. It does not matter
Important.
if you
Yeah.
don't know grammar rules, if you don't
Yeah.
know vocabulary, it doesn't matter how much you know. If you are able to pronounce those words correctly, foreigners will be able to understand you.
Tell you.
Like if your language is which one is your language?
My native language?
Yes,
Hindi.
Hindi. If someone is from different culture and different background, doesn't know Hindi well, if that person doesn't know the grammar, but that person is able to make some sentences, sorry, some words, says
Mm.
something to you, you will be able to understand because that person is able to say those words correctly, pronouncing
Yeah.
correctly. You will be able to understand. But if that person is very good at grammar, Hindi grammar, and knows lots of vocabulary, but that person doesn't know how to pronounce those words
Not
correctly,
the word.
you
Yeah.
will find yourself, how can I understand this person? Is this
Yeah, and
person
also it doesn't make sense.
doesn't make
Whatever
sense
you are
to
speaking.
person? Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
similar it is happening here as well. I thought, okay, I have to work on my pronunciation, and after working on my pronunciation, now I
Yeah, you found interesting and you found, yeah, it is easy to talk with foreigner.
it is easy to talk with them. They are very good actually. They
Mm.
don't make laugh actually. If you are not able to understand, they understand this is a different language for you. You are in different country. They do give respect because they know they are not able to speak my language. Yes,
Yes.
they consider
And that is the same things with me that I am not able to understand their language. So yeah, and we automatically feel shy while talking to.
yes.
We automatically hesitate. We
It
judge
is
ourselves.
because of our mind. We
Yes,
are
mindset.
accustomed to thinking like that way, that this is not our language, language and this is foreigners language, it belongs to them. If we speak in this language, they're gonna mock at us like we are not able to speak that. Therefore we make lots of errors because of the hesitation. Once we remove these hesitations and we think, okay, does not matter how much English I know, I have to speak only, then only we can improve. Otherwise we will stay behind, we won't be able to speak with them. If we don't speak with them, we won't be able to improve. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
That is kind of true.
We have to take first step to in
Yeah,
order
we
to
have to speak. We have to take first step. Yeah,
definitely.
absolutely. All
If
right.
you are cooking something, if you have to first cut the vegetable, first you have to go to the market to buy that vegetable. If you don't take first step, you don't get vegetables. How
How
will
how
you
how,
cook?
how you to cook? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so taking a first step, I think it's really difficult. It's not an easy task. Taking a first step, it's
Taking the
really
first step.
daunting.
You are absolutely right. I agree with you. When we take first step, we feel lots of anxiety. We feel like, oh my goodness, will I be able to do this or not?
Yeah,
And
it
people, what
also takes
people,
lots of courage. It takes lots
lots
of
of
courage to take
worries.
first step.
Yes,
Yeah, it's
but ultimately we have to come out of our comfort
yes.
zone. Otherwise, we
No.
won't be able to survive. Now, in India, especially, it is the symbol of status. If you don't know English, people will consider you are illiterate.
Yes.
You don't know anything.
Yeah.
If you don't know anything, but you are able to communicate your ideas well in English, you will be perceived like you are very educated person,
Yes. They
and
will
there are lots of
consider you.
chances for you to get job, and
Yeah,
people
yeah,
will give you lots of respect.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I
Yes,
think this language give us so much things.
so
After
much.
learning
Yes,
just one language, we
one
give
like
lots of things. We get lots of things.
it is.
Remarkable thing we get.
It is like a magical pill. You have to
Yeah,
eat it, and then you can see the magic.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I did the same thing when I came here. I thought, okay, I have to survive. I have to take my first step. I took my first step, and now I realize, because when I know this language, I know this language now, and now I am able to work with them. I got my job. We are settled here very well. I'm enjoying. I got my couple of friends here. So I can understand their culture, the way they perceive the lives,
Like,
because their culture is different. But the only thing is, we all are human beings. We should give respect to each other.
yeah,
Wherever
yeah.
we need
This is the first thing. This is
this
the
is
first
the
thing.
first thing.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is the
This is,
first thing. Respect is the first thing.
yeah. I think our thoughts are aligned a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, it is true.
Yeah.
Because we belong the same country.
The same country, that's why it is happening. And yes, sometimes even we have people from the similar countries, still we are not able to articulate our ideas well. We don't find connection, but
Mhm.
sometimes we meet some people and we find, yeah, this person can understand me better, I can talk with this person very easily. So it is happening at this moment. I am really enjoying these conversations.
Yeah, I am also enjoying. We feel emotion while talking with person
Yes,
that we are able to convey our message in a very in a free way. I would say that
in a free
we
way,
don't
that's
need
true.
to think
Yeah.
before talking.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think we should connect from inside, not outer beauty.
Outside.
Or we see some person and we just judge that person looks like that, and maybe that person has no sense, doesn't know how to dress up, doesn't know how to present his or herself. But once we start connecting with that person internally, we realize, no, that person has sense, that person is sensible. Doesn't matter, that person doesn't know how to dress like we do.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
my choice is different.
We judge by look. We
Yeah,
judge by.
yeah. We think if this is a good for eyes, it give pleasure to our eyes. That is enough.
That is just sufficient. It's sufficient.
Yeah. If we see something and we say, oh, this is giving pleasure to my eyes, that's all.
Yes,
It means
that is
that person
everything.
is good. It means that things is good. So we
Yeah.
consider the things like that way, and that's why we are in illusion. We
Yeah.
don't really know, we have imperfect senses. We cannot take decision, and we think sometimes, okay, I took decision, I had a very great thought about it, my decision will be very good, but finally we end up with frustration, and we realize, okay, I took the decision, I had a lots of thought about it, still I got failure. Then we realize our senses is imperfect.
Imperfect.
Our
Yeah.
sense, yeah, our sense is imperfect, and we are not able to take decision because nothing in our hands actually. We
Yeah.
are yeah, we have to just make sure whatever coming our way, we have to accept it
Yeah.
and just follow that. Whatever we were doing before, that is done, finish. What will come in front of us, that will come. But right
Yeah.
now, what we are doing, we have to enjoy our moment. Which moment we are at this moment, we have to enjoy. And like I'm talking with you, I'm enjoying my moment.
Yeah.
Not about
We enjoy our moment. We live at that moment.
yes, that is true. Okay, I think time is going over. I'm really enjoying this conversation, but I have to
You
say
didn't
bye to
realize, you
my
didn't
video.
realize that time flies. Yeah, how time flies. Yeah,
That
I
video will
also.
be longer otherwise. Yes, I think we should connect again after some time.
Yeah. Hopefully, I would like to connect you again.
Yes, same
Yeah.
here.
I
Me too.
really enjoyed this conversation. And yeah, I this really make me feel happy and I'm thrilled
I'm
that I
feeling the
can talk
same.
to you.
Thank you so much for your time and sharing your beautiful ideas with me. Yeah,
Thank
hopefully
you.
we'll connect with each other in future. Yes,
Yeah.
for now, take care.
Bye.
Bye.